guys see from the title, we're going to be talking about how you can start a trucking business, how you can start a transportation business for only $3,500 or under. Yes guys, you're able to start a trucking business for under $3,500 and you can get into business. Once you decide that you want to join this business, guys, you can hop into this business within just 1 month and be on the road as a full-time carrier, guys. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy KINGLATTA. This is Black Investors Group, man. If you haven't done so already, please go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn the post notifications on, guys, so you can be notified for this daily content. And please make sure you like this video so that we can get this video pushed out to multiple others, so we can help others save money and so we can help other people make more money as well. And without further ado, man, we're gonna go ahead and talk about how you can start you a trucking business and start making up to $5,000 weekly profit. Let's get right into it after the intro. Let's go. Woo! Today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can start this business under $3,500. And right now, I'm going to tell you that this business is completely easy to get started with. It's completely easy to hop into, and that is why this business is completely saturated, and that is why this business is going on a downhill. Now when I say downhill, I mean that the rates, guys, that the carriers are getting paid is getting lower and lower, okay? The rate used to be $2 per mile. That is an outstanding rate now. If you can find $2 per mile, most of your private loads are going for $2 per mile, meaning that if you're not with a broker or a certain company, guys, you're not gonna get those private loads, and you're gonna be scavenging load boards. Probably need a dispatcher to be on your side so you can get these loads, guys. But as I was saying, man, the average rate right now is $1.60 per mile. So you do the math on that, times it by 400 to 600 miles and see, because that's the average trip, you know what I mean? 400 miles, 600 miles is a decent trip, guys. So times $1.60 by 400 and see if you still want to hop in this business, guys. This business is absolutely easy to hop into. All you need to do is create a trucking authority and have the proper insurances. Yes, guys, all you need to do is 2 things just to hop into this business. All you need is a trucking authority through the FMCSA, and that will only cost you $300. Cost you $300, and after you pay your $300 and the application is complete, guys, you will have to wait 21 business days before you are able to hit the road, guys. In this 21-day waiting process, what you want to do is you don't want to get your auto liability insurance. You don't want to get, you know, the 100,000 cargo, 1 million auto liability, and 1 million general liability. Okay, guys, you don't want to get those until about day 15 of your 21-day waiting period. Okay, guys, so you don't want to have to pay, and the reason for this is you don't want to pay $2,000. You know, trucking insurance, commercial trucking insurance is around $1,000 to $3,000 per month per vehicle, depending on your driving record, your state, and what type of vehicle you have, guys. That is the bulk of where your money is going on this business, guys. So if you have 2 trucks, you know, you could be paying, some truckers are paying $6,000 a month in insurance, but those trucks are making them $6,000 a week each. So it is what it is, man. That is the bulk of the money that is going to be spent to start this business under $3,500. So let's just say you have a cargo van, okay? Your cargo van insurance could be anywhere from $500 to $1,000 a month, or let's say $1,500 a month, depending on, like I said, who you are, where you're at, what you're driving. Let's say you're driving a big box truck, okay, your insurance might be $2,000, and semi trucks, your insurance might be $3,000. Let's just put it like that, okay? So your insurance is $2,000 a month for your box truck. Let's stick with the box truck, guys, because it's kind of like the middle of the Sprinter van and semi. So you're paying $2,000 down payment for your box truck insurance. Now, what you want to do for this down payment is you want to first start up your insurance policy with a $750,000 auto liability. This will decrease your insurance down payment, and you can pay less and save a little bit of money by putting $750K instead of $1 million to start it up, guys. After about a week or so, or after a couple days after your policy has started, just go ahead and add the $1 million, and then it'll be like an additional $20 a month, and you won't have to pay anything up front. It'll just be added onto your bill. But you can definitely save a good $500 if you put $750 instead of $1 million. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. Also, guys, that is the big part of it, is the insurance. The other cost, like I said, is the $300 authority, and we have some other small equipment charges such as a pallet jack. Okay guys, if you're in the box truck lane, if you want to drive for Amazon, you definitely need a pallet jack. You definitely have to make sure if you're renting, your truck has a lift gate, or if you're trying to buy a truck, that you have a lift gate, because you don't want to miss out on those home deliveries. Okay guys, some deliveries you need a lift gate to deliver, and those pay a little bit better than regular dock to dock loads, regular warehouse to warehouse loads. So you want to make sure you have a lift gate and a pallet jack. You will miss a lot of opportunities if you don't have a pallet jack. If you're renting a truck to start out your business, guys, so like myself, I was going to rent until I was able to afford a truck. But now I see that I don't want to be a carrier anymore, because now renting that truck made me realize that I don't want to be a carrier. I don't want to be a trucker. I don't want to be over the road, away from my family. I don't want to be away from home, you know. So now I'm on the dispatching side of things. Okay guys, I got a video on going over dispatching for Amazon, so you guys check that out. But yeah guys, so if you want to rent your truck, the rental fees, guys, is absolutely insane. But with this trucking industry, there's still money to be made, even though you're renting a truck and you're paying a rental company just about a full-time income. So with the trucking company I go through is called Ryder. You also have Enterprise, Penske, and Budget Trucking Rentals. Okay guys, now with Ryder, they charge 19 cents per mile and $150 per day. So this equates to about $800 a week in just the daily rental, 19 cents per mile, plus $5 per gallon in some states on diesel gas. Plus, guys, the insurance that you have to pay to rent these trucks, because with a Ryder rental company, they don't accept VIN Pacific insurances. So you have to use their insurance, and it costs $70 a day, guys, which adds up to about $200 a week. So it's $1,000 a week just to rent the truck, plus the mileage, plus the gas, guys. And then you have additional fees such as dispatcher fees. If you want to work with the dispatcher, you have to pay them 10% per load. There is factoring fees. So you need a factoring company to start your trucking business, because some companies, some broker companies, they have 60 days to pay you. They have 90 days to pay you. So by getting a factoring company, you could have your money just in 2 days, guys. Once you submit your BOL, guys, your BOL, what you get in every load, once you take a picture of it, submit the invoice on your factoring app or website, guys. 2 days later, they're gonna give you direct deposit in your bank account for however much that load say you were gonna get paid. And then the factoring company is gonna get paid later, whenever that broker pays the factoring company. Okay guys, so that's how it pretty much works. They charge a 2% fee for factoring. A lot of trucking companies, a lot of factoring companies are gonna try to call you because they see that you're a new company, man. Just ignore them. Go with OTR Solutions or RTI Financial. Those are the two top ones. And I hope everything goes good for you. I hope you found this video interesting. I hope you took some knowledge from this video on how you can start a trucking business for under $3,500. Like I said, guys, you have a $2,000 insurance down payment, $300 FMCSA registration. So now we're at $2,300. And like I said, if you needed to get that pallet jack at $400, so now we're at $2,700, guys. And extra equipment if you need to buy some pillowcases or some blankets to cover yourself up You know, you don't want to have, if you're sleeping in a truck, if you're sleeping in a box truck or a van or even a semi, get something to cover up the windows at night so people don't look at you sleeping, man. Stay safe out here. And that is how you start a trucking business for under $3,500, man. It's your boy KINGLATTA. You're watching Black Investors Group. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Please make sure you subscribe and hit that post notification, man. Once again, give it a like so this video can get pushed out to many others, so many others can save money and make more money. And it's KINGLATTA, and we out. Blah! Woo! If you want to learn more on how to start a trucking business step by step, please watch this video right here. Boom. It's going to explain step by step what you need to start a trucking business and some key tips on how you can save money as you're starting your business process, guys. Please subscribe to the Patreon in the link below, guys. We have credit, we have crypto, we have financial tips, guys, and we just have how to make more money easy, full lessons on the Patreon below, man. Please make sure you check it out, and please make sure you subscribe to the Patreon for exclusive information and exclusive tips and tricks, credit hacks, and how to make money in crypto, man. Stay tuned.